Social Science 8th Standard Part History Chapter 18 South Indian Dynasties Shatavahanas, Kadambas, Das. Exercises, questions and answers, additional multiple test. Let's begin with first exercises. First, fill in the blanks with the table words. Timukha made Srikakulam his capital. Second, the literary work written by Hala is Gata Sapta Sati. Third, the first inscription in Kannada is Halmidi inscription. Fourth, Banavasi, the capital of Kadambas, is in today's Uttara Kannada district. 5. The prominent king among the Gangas was Durvinita. 6. The literary work written by Chamundaraya is Chaunda Purana. Question number second. Answer the following questions in brief. Seventh. Who was the last king of the Shatavahana? How did their dynasty became weak? Our answer. The last king of the Shatavahana was Yajnashri Shatakarani. Their dynasty became weak due to continual attacks by the Shakas. Next, 8th question. 8th. Write about the art of the Shatavahanas. Our answer. The Shatavahanas promoted art, literature, and architecture. Prakrit literature flourished during their period. Gatha Saptasati, written by Hala, is the famous literary work. The Ajanta and Amravati paintings belongs to this period. They constructed chaityalayas, viharas, and temples. The Chaityagraha at Karle, built by the merchant Bhutapala, is a fine example of their architecture. Next 9. What were the values which influenced the Ganga society? Our answer. The Ganga society was influenced by the values such as honesty, loyalty, bravery, and patience. The society was divided into different castes and sects. They remained interdependent. The patriarchal joint family system was prevalent. Next, 10th question. Name 4 literary works of the period of the Gangas. Our answer. The 4 literary works of the Ganga period are Shabdavatara by Durvinita, Gajashastra by Sri Purusha, Chaund Purana by Chaundaraya, and Raghu Pandavya by Hemasena. Next, we will take few MCQ questions which will help us to be our comprehension. First one, who was the founder of Shatavahana dynasty? Our options are here A, B, C, D. Our right option is Simukha. Next, second, which river valleys did the Shatavahanas settle in? Options are here A, B, C, D. Our right option is third one C, Godavari and Krishna River Valley. Next, third, which title was used by Gautami Putra Shatakarani? Our options are here A, B, and D. Our right option is third one, Trai Samudra Toye Pita Vahana. Next, fourth one, which literary work was written by Hala, King Hala? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option is third one C, Gatha Saptasati. Next, 5. Which painting sites are associated with the Shatavahana parade? Our options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option is second one B, Ajanta and Amravati. Next, 6. Who was the founder of the Kadamba dynasty? Options are here A, B, C, D. Our right option C, Mayur Sharma. Next, 7. What was the capital of the Kadambas? Our options are here A, B, C, D. Our right option is C, Banavasi, which is in Uttar Kannada district. Next, 8. Which is the first Kannada inscription found in Karnataka? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option is third one C, Halmidi or Halmidi. Next, 9. What language became the court language after Parakrit during the Kadamba period? Our options are here A, B, C, and D. Our options are here A, B, C, D. Our right option third one C, Sanskrit. Next, 10. Which inscription is considered the first Sanskrit inscription in Karnataka? Options are here A, B. Our right option is final one D, Talgund inscription. Next 11. Which Ganga king was both a scholar and brave ruler? Options are here A, B, C. Our right option is third one C. Turvinita. Next 12. Which statue was installed by Chaundaraya? Options are here A, B, C, and D. Our right option third one C. Ummateshwara at Shravana Belagola. 13. What was the main occupation during the Ganga parade? Options are here A, B, C. Our right option is the second one B, agriculture. Next 14. Which of the following is a Kannada literary work of the Ganga parade? Options are here A, B, D. Our right option is second one B, Gajastika. Next 15. Which of the following values Ganga society? Options are here A, B, and D. Our right option third one C, honesty, loyalty, bravery, and patience.